Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your pay stub in the UKG Pro mobile app. First, open the UKG Pro app and sign into your employee account. And once you're in the home screen, tap Pay or Pay Statements depending on your company's setup. There you'll see a list of your recent paychecks. From there, tap the pay stub you want to view. And your pay statement will display information such as your earnings, deductions, taxes, and net pay. And if available, you can also download or share a PDF copy of your pay stub. And if you can't find your pay stub, you need to check with your employer to make sure your payroll has been processed and that you have permission to access pay statements. So that was how to view your pay stub on the UKG Pro mobile app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.